No, I'm not. I don't. I'm not just sure how it happened, it just. Wait a minute. See, there's a couple. Must have been in their 80s. He is a little deaf and she is nearly blind. And I keep pointing to the seats, shining my flashlights, which he couldn't hear and she couldn't see. Lights in the theatre were about to go down and curtains were about to go up. So you see, I had no choice. Grabbed her hand and said, "Come with me, dear." Took them both right to their seats in the dark. Seats A, 9 and 11, first row mezzanine. That too, middle of the row. Excuse me, to the people already being seated. Got her to a chair. Fine. The curtain went up. The play began. I quickly and quietly turned around. And I guess I didn't realize, I didn't know that he was standing right there behind me. Or maybe I or maybe I turned too quickly because the next time I knew I knocked him over. He fell. Went right over the rail. I saw him falling, heard him yell, heard a woman below scream. Night of the Broadway. My first day at job. I couldn't. I have never experienced such an absolute panic. Panic to the point where I wanted to either die or disappear. Frozen panic. His blind wife suddenly stood up and started yelling, "Elmer, Elmer, what happened? Where are you?" Total commotion in the theatre. House lights went on, they stopped the show, and remember, this was their opening night. Actors were still standing on stage, staring. Just like everyone, they didn't know what to do. The curtain went down. Well, I figured out that old Elmer was dead. I leaned over the rail and looked. And there below, very Elmer was alive, arguing with the woman whose lap he had just fallen in. And then he pointed directly up at me. All the people in the orchestra below were staring at me. I thought I'd die, just die. I kind of waved, sort of smiled, and remembered something that I don't remember. Then the police, the emergency meds, and the Lord knows who else came running in. Total pandemonium. Chaos. Well, the long story short, Elmer and his missus were reunited at the mezzanine. Hugs and kisses. And the woman he fell on was fine. And the show finally went on. And no, I wasn't fired from my job. My manager told me that he understands. But the next time, when I went to my job, he sent me to an orchestra section below. That's fine. Hello everyone. My name is Akash and I am 22 years old, 5 feet 9 inches tall. My contact number is 9471 410 558. My alternate contact number is 7979 989 782. Languages known to me are Hindi. मैं हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ. आमी बांग्ला बोलते पारी. And yeah, I can speak English. Well, talking about experience, I don't have much experience in digital industry, though I have made few short films for YouTube, but that's not worth countable experience. Yeah, I have been into theater for 4 years and still counting. I have been doing various roles, performed plays for NSD, और मैंने नेशनल थिएटर फेस्टिवल्स भी ऑर्गेनाइज किया है अपने थिएटर ग्रुप के लिए. फ़िलहाल मैं पुणे में हूँ और वैसे मैं बिहार का रहने वाला हूँ. And stuck in Pune, doing job in Infosys as an engineer, but still looking up for work. Thank you and hope you are safe and fine. Hope you like the performance. Bye. Thank you. Namaskar.